because they are native. Oh, I like the bedrock in in the logo.
We have quite a bit of bedrock.
Yeah, great.
Didn't want it to go that cheap. Also, like this one is like all the illegals we
What?
can place.
No, we should wait. Should we bring some command blocks to spawn?
Eh,
Instead-
I mean,
Eh.
Bro, wait,
maybe.
like show me the chunks. Show me the chunks. How is it with chunk line? Wait,
Chunk. Nothing is chunk aligned here.
no, but like plus F3 plus G. Oh wait, that
That's
would have
what.
been like you can just mine 4 chunks and get like no, not even like 2 chunks. We can mine 2 chunks and get command blocks and structure block into the spawn.
I mean, I don't really care. Like, the thing is, like, do you
But
guys need to know that type of stuff when you're in 112 or?
Yes.
Ah,
yeah, like
shit.
if you
Like,
want to place command blocks, we want to do it in 112.
No wait.
After that, it is possible, but it's too painful.
No wait. We cannot place it in 112. We
Yeah,
will.
we can.
No,
Land
how?
falling block.
No, but like we can't land it in 112. We will only transfer one region file.
No, we can land. No, we are transferring chunks, not region files.
I mean meant chunks. But so you mean transfer a spawn chunk?
Yeah, transfer the chunk with the command block placed and just mine it in new version.
I mean, I
Like it's
no,
guess.
fine to mine like 1 or 2, like four chunks.
Yeah.
the issue with
okay.
that is like, I wouldn't do that because honestly,
Why?
nothing is aligned here. I gotta align stuff on like the copy once we're done.
Like you can just build a freeway duper and TNT duper and blow it up and just
No, BNM. Like the thing I'm talking about is like the alignment.
Yeah, I understand the alignment. It is
Like
not aligned.
the alignment on here on in the deco. That's the problem. I can't tell you that until we do the interior. And wait, I'm checking if it's working. It's working. It's working for.
Hmm? Yeah. Nice. Thanks.
How many dicks do you already have on?
Not many. 120k. Not a big digger.
Oh, Warfox got Frost Walker.
But I thought we were not showing the fucking chat. What the hell?
Hmm.
So we actually have a Frost Walker now.
Oh, what?
Yeah, Warfox got
Cool.
Frost Walker.
Now I'm like 20.
Man, but like, dude. No, but like the thing with our spawn deco is like, it will be so complex to build in survival. Like, I don't know if you can tell how pain it will be, but what is the best example for being pain to build? Like this area here is like example for being pain to build. Or
Oh
so.
yeah, bro. Bro, I've made like this complicated design for my slime chunk slime farm decoration, bro. Like it's the moment.
Dude, we use fucking wither skulls, okay?
Yeah, but who cares about the blocks? Just
Yeah,
placing
no,
of
but
them
like,
is annoying.
yeah.
I use like stairs in every single possible combination.
Peak.
That's
Like
not,
bro, like
that's not annoying.
like the wall is actually probably doing registry palette blow. It's crazy.
And I already know how it will go. We finish the deco, and then CA will come again, or somebody will come and complain about the item list and how hard it will be to build.
Who the fuck cares? It's spawn decoration.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, exactly.
Time
Like
doesn't
that's the
also
most
doesn't really
current
tell.
version. Like most current version is like city planning completed, and like yeah.
Someone will place those blocks in their entire life. We are just going to make them for the spawn decoration.
True.
Okay, so like once the city is completed, once the city is completed, we are at like 5 million blocks in total.
Oh, that's great.
Then add like, I don't know, like 1.5 or 2 million for the castle, and we end up with 7 million. And then like there aren't like small assets or like we still got this entire thing here, like basically a cave thing to completely detail and place assets and shit.
Bro.
Proper
Oh my
gas.
god, the block state wallet is done. Finally, it's annoying to build, so it's such a difficult thing to build. Oh, I need to throw the door on the ground.
A proper guess from me is like, in the end, we will end up with like 8 million.
Wait, how many Frostwalker boots we do need?
Flaw.
I mean, we could recycle the armor stand, so 20, I think. We can use one, but it will be slow as fuck. I would say,
Okay.
are we getting them legit, or are we just duping them?
Yeah, well now. Oh.
Like
Come on.
if
One
tubing just
One quick question. I know we're live, but I don't care because someday it will leak or so.
bro, nobody's
What
watching the
did-
stream anyway. Yeah.
What don't we do, you?
On 112.
Like, what
don't
is
know.
duped, basically? Like,
Hey,
ever-
wait. I know what isn't due.
Actually, a good amount of the items isn't duped. Like, I
Wait,
mean,
save states are not duped.
the save states are duped.
No, they are not. I'm not duping them. I copied them using the book.
No, I made more. Like, I duped mine.
Oh fuck.
Well, we only duped a bit of redstone, I think. I know the stone was scattered legit.
A bit of redstone, like like 5 shulkers of redstone blocks, bro.
A bit of redstone.
That's not a bit of redstone.
yeah. No, but like,
Also, what do you plan to put
honestly-
in? What do you plan to put into the caves?
okay, so like for like the big parts, like I don't know, for this area, I thought like about adding like some fossils or so, like some dragon skeletons or so.
Bro, let's lock the real dragon inside of it.
or
We
so.
can still
And
get
then
him, yeah.
also like we got like the sneaky cave entrance over here. Like also have like some mine chests or some ruined mine chests going around,
Yeah.
and like also in some areas
Yeah.
we will add like
Yeah.
tiny amethysts and stuff.
Yeah. Don't build the dragon. Just use the real one.
For real.
The ended dragon.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can freeze it in place.
I know, but
I mean, while we can still do it, we should, huh?
You can since like that's how they would need to change the pathfinding of the dragon, and why would they do that?
No, it doesn't work anymore.
Wait, what?
Yes, recent
by the
versions
way,
it doesn't
Fla,
work
what do
anymore.
you think about the AI generated pickaxe under the
Oh, that looks really good.
When it was fixed?
I mean, I'm not sure if the freezing doesn't, but you cannot bring it to the overworld anymore because of portal changes. Freezing,
Oh, in 1.21 you cannot get it into overworld.
yeah. Freezing may still work, but I'm not sure.
Yeah,
Like
freezing
one
works
of-
because they didn't. If I'm not mistaken, they didn't change any path.
No, I
Like-
just saw a message in the Discord today that sounded like it didn't work the old way at least, but I'm not sure. Didn't
like-
test it.
But, like, you know, you can just you can suppress the dragon dying, and then just you have a permanently dying dragon here at spawn,
Oh yeah, that's also cool.
permanently dropping XP.
Wait for you.
Yeah,
Oh right, because
But
it is
by the
not
w-
showing at once.
because
the
it's
way-
not like it is not done like set
No.
amount of XP drop.
Yeah, it's true. It drops them in
It-
batches.
It's dropped them like it drops them according like a timer. There's like a timer which drops them, and the drops are it's like 10 seconds or something. But if you suppress the dragon dying, he's not going to finish the animation, and that's why he's dropping the
XP farm.
XP forever.
Bro, make that as XP.
By the way,
Hmm?
Blanc,
Yeah.
what do you think about shaders on Spawn Decker?
Wait, I'm not looking. Oh no, you're not
Currently
showing.
still
Oh no, you are showing. What? Bug Discord. Oh, that looks so good.
like, wait, I have like a 60 POV right now. But like, bro, wait,
Yeah,
one
it
of the
looks good.
greatest shots will be like from here at the moment. Or like, I don't know, from here, or wait, can also go somewhere up, like this way. Like, then, like, I don't know if it's only me, but that way, the bridge we have,
It looks really
which is
good.
massive, feels tiny.
You know what else is massive? Yeah, but it looks really amazing. Wait, do we have? Yeah, we do have stream ping. Punk, why is your name on YouTube? That's what it is.
By the way, Fla, why are you not using this the content board?
I have the
Or-
power. I have the powers to do the ping myself. So
Oh, yes. Man.
I have.
Showing this
oh,
Spawn Decker to the
okay.
public
So
will
they,
be so
they,
crazy.
they just duped the Frostwalker.
okay,
Okay.
then just tell him to get 40. Now actually get
No.
41. We need also one for the 8001 game tick clock.
Bro.
Hold
No,
on,
we,
we
we,
go
we,
again.
we just have a shulker over here, and
Yeah.
we can just switch them.
Also,
Leaving for.
also Punk, we
uh,
need to do the Italian brain rot tier list sometime.
What?
Yes, don't you know like the Bombardilo Crocodilo shit?
What?
Not? Wait.
Bombardilo
How?
Crocodilo, what?
Yeah, do you not know that?
Tun, Saur.
There he is.
Mike Vannen! Melon.
Oh man.
I'm still eating.
Oh, what are you eating? Pizza?
Yes.
Damn.
I would
Epic.
love to get a bit of pizza.
I had spaghetti today.
Oh, I had hunger.
That's also cool.
Bro, when I was searching the version of the gamer band, and I was just looking at it, and they released the andesite, granite, diorite, prismarine blocks, slime blocks. That was a big thing, but
That is cool.
then they were announcing the. Also, they released two wood types:
What? Which?
the acacia and dark oak.
Wait. Acacia and Dark Oak are like equally old?
No, not like yeah, they are equally old. They were added in 1.7, but they got defense and those variants, and doors.
Oh.
They introduced the doors.
Wait, I would have thought that Acacia is newer than Dark Oak, but okay.
No, they were added both in 1.7, but in 1.8 they
Interesting.
got the door variants and fence
I
variants.
wonder why they did not just instantly give the trapdoor variants as well.
Oh, because they were not variants for trapdoors with spruce and
Yes, but why? Like, that's what I'm wondering.
great question. Like,
mean-
why don't we still have color-coded chests?
True.
I would like to get different types of chests.
I would.
Also, bro,
I would
guys,
like to
just
get. Yeah.
add oak chest and no oak chest and keep this texture and
Wait.
add a different wood type with
Your
this
texture. Your texture,
Bro,
yeah.
that's the nicest thing.
What? Where's
The
that
origi- like,
texture
the-
from?
Wait, what?
Like the texture you have, your texture pack thingy? Is
Bro, yeah, my texture pack is super ancient and no one even knows where those textures come from originally because
well, do you know?
this texture pack is I got those textures from my friend who has this texture pack for like 8 years. He made how like now we have like texture pack version 52 or something. he made it in texture pack version 1.
Oh my
And
god.
he made his texture pack in that version. And he already stole those textures from someone who also did stole them.
Bro, it's
So they are
passed down.
stolen 3 times. They are stolen 3 times.
Bro, they just get passed down by the generations.
Yeah.
I
And
see
originally,
someone
I
digging.
think, if I'm not mistaken, originally it was with some guy. And it was before texture packs. It was baked into the game, you know?
Oh,
Before they added texture packs, you need to actually modify the game with different textures.
big
You just change the assets.
texture.
And that's
mod.
why that's why it was that's how it was originally made. It was originally a resource pack or texture pack. Originally was a mod, which I was adding this texture.
That's so
so, like, yeah.
cursed.
Bro, my textures are ancient.
I don't know, man.
Like, they are even older than the old textures.
Yeah, well, there's also the there's the programmer art. When was programmer art added? Okay, not in 112.
How
Yeah,
about
112. 112 still has
14?
the old versions, old textures. Yeah.
I'm using the 1.12.
I don't know. I like both.
Like, I like both, but I don't know. I just like the more noisy pattern, more
I mean,
fitting in
With
the game.
some things, yes. Like I like the cobblestone in 112 more.
For example, I hate the new glass.
Oh, I don't know. I don't like. I don't. I mean, I'm using a
Like-
mod that continuity in newer versions, so I
Yeah.
actually don't know
Yeah,
how
I
the
think
class looks.
the new glass looks good without the connected textures. Once you have the glass connected, it's better to use the old one.
I don't even know how it looks normally because continuity makes it like
It
One
looks
flat.
horrible.
no idea. And 112 it
No.
looks pretty good, I'd say.
No.
I mean, other than the
It's-
not the normal class. Normal class is shit.
Bro. To be honest, when I see my second PC just having the Matrix screensaver, I just want to have the PC running for the screensaver
I
because
have-
it looks so cool.
I have like there is this one shell script or executable whatever like that just makes one of these matrix effects and you can customize it and have like a Linux distro logo in the background and that looks really
Bro,
good.
no, well, yeah, you know which one is the best? The one which is using the standard galactic alphabet in the Minecraft April Fool's update.
Oh
craft mine.
yes, yeah, the craft. Have actually not played that one.
Oh, they did play a huge session on Wave. That was so cool. I was in
I
DC
know,
level.
yeah. I was shortly in VC.
And bro, they were mining yeah, let's go to more. Like, why the fuck don't we get those updates like mini games? Bro, introduce
don't know.
mini games into Vanilla MC like they were on console editions. Why not? Come on.
I mean, it's kind of is in vanilla. Like you can just play the version in launcher.
Like, yeah, there are mini games, but on Realms.
Bro, Realms is shit. I don't consider Realms.
No,
Vanilla.
but actually, they have the best mini games.
What? I don't know what they have.
Yeah, they have community made, but they are so complex. Like those are so complex. Those are vanilla maps, filled with command blocks, everything with cool animations, functions, everything. Like those are packed. Those are peak.
I don't know. I have never played them.
Yeah,
I-
because you don't have realms.
Yeah, I don't know who the people are that pay for Realms.
People who want to make videos about the mini games or play the mini games,
Yeah.
and I think just parents. I think if you don't know how to host a server and you don't want to get for example, for a parent, I think it's best to just buy a realm and you know it is going to work.
I mean, like for a parent who set up a Eterna server, like
Bro, no. I for example, I cannot imagine my mom getting me a server. She would be able to just buy realms for me, but not to establish a server when I was young.
I don't know, man. Not true. But if you're that young, who are you really gonna play with? Okay, your friends, I guess.
And bro, it's just, to be honest, it's just $8 a month.
Well, $8 a month is, I don't know, how much is Spotify per month? I thought like $6.
Wait. For me in Czech, it's I think a bit cheaper. For me as a student, no. I just want the normal one, individual one. 169 crowns. Like €7.
No, okay.
It costs almost the same amount as Spotify. Like, it's not
But-
that expensive.
But you know what you cannot have on Realms? Mods. I think that's like...
You can have data packs.
Yeah, but data packs.
Like, the best. I just want mods to be able to install Carpet for my creative shit and
Yes.
Lithium. I don't care about anything else. Like,
No, it also...
for survival, I only care about Lithium.
survival... I mean, yeah, server side, true, that's... I mean, and maybe carpet. Depends on the version.
And there are even some like maps which are available till this day, like from like 2016. Like there's some like hundreds of maps you can play.
I don't know, I mean... I guess it's a cool thing to exist. Like, I appreciate that Microsoft or Mojang or whoever tried to do like their own server thing.
That was Notch established that. Look at this. Those are the maps which were released since 2013.
Oh my god, Missile Wars!
And when you see the yes, you can still play it.
Oh my god, there was Missile Wars!
Yeah, the original
that's-
ones. So look, like you see how many yeses there are.
Yeah, like it's insane.
We are getting all those maps working. And yeah, that's true. Like like most of the original ones, they are actually like
I'm back, but not my
yeah,
pizza.
Blocks versus Zombies. That one was good.
Hmm?
Oh yeah, the Diversity 2 was originally there.
Oh, Punk is back. Hello, Punk.
I'm back, but I did not finish my pizza yet.
Well, how big is your pizza? What?
I completely forgot that Missile Wars were by
Normal size.
Do you have at least pineapple on it?
Shut the fuck up.
Or like, or what else? Or like, I don't know, some bananas.
Oh my god.
No,
Really?
how did you get the Missile Wars role on Live?
I asked someone. Rufro? No, Welisa, I think.
Well, I think I should ask for it.
Yeah,
also.
it makes your name colored, which is cool.
Yeah, I want to play it. That's the thing.
Oh, okay, yeah, that's yeah, that's also cool to play it.
I don't care about the colored name, bro.
I mean, I do.
I'm not actually posting messages in Wave. I'm just doing it in
Same.
VC.
Like,
Sava is the guy who delivers me the news.
Hmm?
Because I usually about the news that comes into snapshots. I normally just watch the Raceworks videos.
I read the patch notes.
I'm lazy to read.
No,
And then
I'm lazy to watch videos.
yeah, I just usually just watch the Raceworks video or something like that. Or by Exuma something like that. And then I hear Sava and they're like, why the fuck did they broke so many stuff?
Bro, where's
Please,
Sava?
don't touch my game!
Where is Sava ranting about this?
What?
Like, where is he saying that stuff?
NVC?
Ah, okay. I'm not often enough in VC. Wait, when is... I have never seen Sava in VC, I think. Time zone issue?
What?
Probably.
Bro, I
mean,
don't have to... He's
Wave
there.
is seeing a lot.
No, but like with Sava in particular.
Sava is missing a lot.
But when? Like time zone wise? What?
He's Russian, so
Russian? Should
Russian time.
interesting. Ah no, probably just... I don't know.
Why
Yeah.
the fuck do we have so many chat bridges?
Because I did not want to cram them in a single channel because that's dumb.
Why?
I don't like that.
But then people from different servers could talk to each other.
Bruh, I know, just no. I mean, it's getting cramped so quickly.
Like, how many people do you have on one server at once?
I don't know.
Like 10 at max?
I don't. I don't know. Like maybe 5 approximate. Like
No,
median.
5 people can be in one chat.
It was a decision like I don't know months ago. Maybe we'll change.
On Proto, we used to have it separate, but now we are just one main chat bridge, and we have the snapshot one separated because we have shared server for snapshots with Kiwi.
But you are 2 people on the server. Like
No, it's not like even like I can talk to Earth on Discord. I can be on whatever server. I don't care. I can do anything.
no,
And for example,
no, no.
since Revax is not using VC, I can be on CMP. He can be on SMP, and he can just write messages into text.
Okay, yeah,
into
that
chat.
that is cool. That is really cool thing. Well, let me steal the last few blocks of you two guys.
So
Teamwork.
I think Shellbridge is not really important to be on Discord. I think it's like okay, it works. I think the more cool part is connecting the servers in MC.
I mean, yeah, true.
So I should probably stop screen sharing for no reason.
Who's that?
Just occasionally screen sharing my desktop.
Oh my
Let's
god,
get
it's
to-
Robbie.
Let's get back to my other PC and actually fix me not have permissions to /app install.
What? What have you done,
I don't fucking know.
By meeting.
bruh? Bro's just digging dirt. No, why is there a cave here? I hate the caves.
Permission denied. Why the fuck is permission denied? Also, I used to have on the second. I used to have Ubuntu, and Ubuntu is opening my browser in 30 seconds. Here it's only 15.
But why Ubuntu?
I just like it.
Why not Arch? Use Arch.
Be right back. Be right back.
I've tried to
Okay.
use Arch yesterday.
I have literally Arch running next to me. It's wonderful.
Yeah, Arch is actually a good one. How the fuck do you install it?
Just follow the tutorial.
But why can I not? I just get the ISO file and make a.
You can if you want. There are like community images.
No, but it wasn't working for me.
Now, have you tried the ISO file?
Yeah,
But then
the ISO file and make a bootable drafting was not working.
honestly, then skill issue. I don't know.
I have solution.
I mean, if the ISO file is not working, bro, then you did something. Like, what did you use to write it to your drive?
What the fuck is that shit called?
Maybe Rufus?
Let me look. Balena at.
Ah, that's shit. I don't like it at least. Try the Rufus thingy.
Maybe I will someday. I have Ubuntu right now.
Ubuntu is not a bad one.
I like Ubuntu, but here I have Lubuntu because even Lubuntu is too hard to run.
Why?
That piece is shit.
Oh, okay.
Fuck.
Bonkai is still eating.
Bro, yes.
What is on your pizza? I forgot to ask that.
Nothing. Like it's margarita.
Oh man. Bro, the pizza has to be giant for you to be eating. Like half an hour already?
No, come on. I mean, I'm just lower.
Okay. Come dig, man.
I'll come dig when I finish the pizza.
No, you need to reach 1 million right now.
Yeah.
And tomorrow is so useless. I need to go to school for 2 lessons. And only the
Great
first one. Like, I mean, they could have just said no, like give the day off. Pong, do you know how we are voiding? Like, what are we using to void this perimeter?
Instant fall.
No, but like a Y0, the last layer.
Everything it's a void parry.
Yeah, but like, what are we using for the last layer?
Instant fall.
How?
You're not using
You
so far the
cannot.
last layer.
Yeah, it does
I
work.
don't- I don't know. I think eggs. I don't know.
Hacks for real. Set slash fill.
No eggs.
But
Dragon
you
egg.
cannot use Dragon X.
Fuck, I'm retarded. Sorry.
I thought that's why I thought you said hacks.
Well, I don't know.
Probably pistons then.
Authorization failed for some reason.
Huh? Why did your authorization fail?
Yeah, bro, I don't have permissions. But I'm an administrator, I don't know why.
Man.
And now it works. I'm installing like the required stuff, like I'm installing Steam right now, let's just also use it. So
But the dumb thing is, in like the Discord embed of the stream, you can't even see the cool edge I made. Like at the bottom there is like a blacked out part that where the duct logo is, and I have one for Quantum as well. But you cannot see it on the Discord embed.
did you have quantum launchable instances just on your bar?
What?
You have a quantum instance on your taskbar.
On my what?
On your taskbar.
No, I don't. Why?
Then what were you saying with the quantum logo?
Oh, like if you look at my stream, right, the thumbnail of my stream on YouTube, there is this little
Yeah, wait.
black edge, the black corner where the logo is, the duct logo's in, and I have the same thing with Quantum, but you cannot see it in the
Wow.
Discord embed because it like squishes it to a square.
Wait, let me look at your stream. Wow. Why can I not? Why the fuck do I? When I search fly, I get random fights.
I like I don't know, because a lot of words apparently start with the letters PFLA.
Yeah, bro. Like, how to get to you, bro?
Search PFLA Minecraft or something, or Budline usually works.
Bad line. Oh, now I have you. Great. Where do? Oh. Wait, that's not a good position for the logo, you know, because
I know.
it is covered by the time.
Oh wait, it is. Oh, I put it on
Yeah,
the wrong corner,
by
right?
the live logo.
But I forgot it is in that corner. I thought it was top. Okay, I should change it.
Yeah. You should definitely change that.
Yeah, I thought it was.
Digging on deck.
I thought it was the top right corner.
Why is my chat not loading?
Oh, I don't know.
Yeah, YouTube is just doing YouTube. Yeah, YouTube is just not loading chat on my live streams for some reason for me. It can take like 15 minutes to load the chat.
YouTube live chat is in general really shit.
Yeah, just use Truffle. Truffle chat is the best.
I mean, honestly, man, just use Twitch, but
Be right back.
oh well.
here.
Hmm?
I also updated my main PC and I finally now have 11 terabytes of 11.5 terabytes of storage in my main PC.
I was about to say 11, man.
11.5.
11.5.
Yeah.
Why?
11.5 terabytes of storage.
Why?
Like, bro, you need that.
Okay, I mean, I have 1 terabyte. Okay, it's full. I will get a 2 terabyte.
Bro, I'm sailing the seas. You understand?
I do understand.
I have a lot of movies.
Fair.
And like, the really good ones, I need them in the best quality, you understand? For example, Lord of
course,
the
man.
Rings.
Bro, no, you don't have the whole Lord of the Rings trilogy in Ultra HD and 1000K resolution.
Yes, I have. It's my Lord of the Rings folder takes up 400 gigabytes.
Bro, what the hell? I just I recently I had like 20 gigabytes left and I thought, where is all that shit coming from? And then I looked at my Steam collection and I found things like Starfield and other of these games like that take hundreds of gigabytes that I haven't played once.
Yeah, and also like MC takes extreme amount of.
Now my MC thing is insanely big, I think, like it's
I have
shit.
80 gigabytes.
I don't wait, let me see. I mean I have 2 folders, like the Prism folder and the okay, the Prism thing is it's still counting. I can see it live counting.
I did combine them together.
No, I did not. Okay, let me check the Minecraft.
Me when Nazi. What? I did read the chat. Why do you have it? Why Nazi in the chat?
Which chat? What?
The Minecraft chat.
Oh, I didn't even.
You have Nazis on one. Me when Nazi? What?
Banned on YouTube.
Nazis should be fine on YouTube.
I don't know.
It's historic. No. It's
Thing
historic.
is- Bro, what do you mean, Fingo? I'm on like 2 SMPs, active SMPs. Skytech doesn't count.
I'm a member of 3, but I don't play no Quantum. Like I play right now on 1.12 and then I will stop again. Did you expect more people to like learn falling block for 1.12?
Why?
I kind of expected like more people would like to be interested in it.
I mean we got Raze like from Lemon Tech who knows falling block, but well, bro hasn't done shit, so I don't know.
I
Like
feel like it's fun. Like only me and you understand the shit.
now, but nobody like I talk with CA, nobody cares how to do it. Everybody just wants to do it. Everybody just wants the
Yeah.
results, and like
Yeah.
preferably instantly.
Yeah, I hate how like to be honest, I kind of hate how he says like, yeah, can we start it now?
Oh, because CA has
Bro.
no idea how it actually works.
Yeah, bro. I've tried to explain to him like 3 times.
Also, have you seen Myron made a new video actually?
A Pokemon again.
Huh? No, Large Fern.
Oh wait, which large friend?
Like falling Large Fern.
In the end, or what?
What do you mean in the end? No, normal. Like he never made a video
Bro.
on how to get the Large Fern.
Yeah, we actually have a setup.
Yeah, but he didn't. There isn't a video about it, like an
Yeah.
explanation video.
Yeah, that's great. Final Pokemon.
Yeah, man, Pokemon RNG manipulation.
Bro.
For real,
Yeah,
man.
like today I was watching like old technical like physicists and people like that are not able to adapt to new things because they are only used to the way things used to be and they don't want to like do stuff. And I think that fits the best to my run. Like, yeah, okay. I think he like finished 1.12.
Oh, he actually discovers new shit. Like, have you read Treadstone Archive?
No, like, yeah, he discovers new stuff in 1.12.
Yeah, of course, 112.
But like, what is the next logical step after mastering all of this in 1.12?
I mean,
Updating? No,
like-
no, Pokemon.
I mean, like, I don't know, man. If you're that like 112 mastermind, why you should go anywhere else? Also, like multi-thread on async lines are sounding really cool.
Yeah, bro, but like, for me, I would like to like find exploits. Like, for example, Earth is doing stuff for new versions right now.
Yeah, but kind of useless. I don't know. Like
Bro-
red.
Yeah.
I mean,
Make
yes, kind of
make the
useless.
game more broken, guys.
For real, man, for real. Mojang fixed that. Fingo. I mean, Duct. I
Yeah,
joined Duct like 2 weeks ago, I think. No, 1 week ago, probably.
Add Gnembon. Can you please reintroduce a bit of multi-threading?
For real, make like dumb shit multi-threaded.
Yeah. Let's go be employed into MC to secretly add some exploits.
Yeah, for real. Please also add back the shitty update system.
Yeah. Bring back Block 36.
Are you watching the stream, Binam?
Yeah, I have it open.
Look at this activity when the delay is over.
That's great.
That's insane, right?
I wish we had that. But like, you are making the parry in the same time I'm making it alone with Rayvax.
I mean, like, I don't know. We need to do this shit, then this, and then this, and then most down here.
Yeah, okay, wait for
Oh yeah, okay, now it's.
yeah. Oh, now I see it.
Oh, we also
This
need.
is What is this farm for?
That was a double witch, I think, but we will
Oh.
remove the double witch in favor of Skyblock.
Okay.
Screw redstone dust. We don't need that. Skyblock.
Yeah. No, play Skyblock and make the fish farms on Skyblock.
Yeah, I mean that's like, bro, that's
Only with Skyblock materials.
that's such a TMC thing to do, right? Instead of like playing Skyblock, just make Skyblock in
Skyblock.
your normal world.
But there is, I have one issue. Like, if I would like to like make a Skyblock in survival, I would do it in a way so that I would like find a location where in like 3x3k there's an ocean monument, mansion, like all of those stuff.
I don't know. Just don't. Why care about unimportant
Because
things?
I would like I know even Cyclops, they like made the Skyblock, but they never played the Skyblock.
That's just funny to make.
I would like to make like an overworld and also Nether Perry, just void both. Make full Skyblock experience,
Oh,
and then
e-
actually play the Skyblock.
Another person joined BNM. We're so active right now.
Bro, let me steal some members. I should modify. I should modify your signs. Duct is better. To Duct is better than Psy.
I mean, true. Duct is actually really insane. Like, they have some cool things.
Give me some members.
Nah.
I would like to borrow some members for some digging.
I mean, like, if there's no digging on Duct, they will probably just come for digging.
But that's Duct. You have always something to dig. You're fucking Duct. Oh, hi Rayvax. I didn't even saw you joining.
Rayvax.
On the weekend we are running the falling block setup.
I mean, maybe if everything goes off the plan. What needs to be
Yeah.
done? Well, to
Like-
run. Wait. Did we?
We can actually. I think we can actually like tomorrow we can finish like the last bits on.
I mean, to do the word tearing, there should only be like the word tearing setup, of course, and
I finished the word starting so that.
also with all the entities.
No entity.
Okay. And we need. Yeah, okay, we need to put the save states in the async thingies, like in the, save states.
Yeah. So after I think, can you like, when you are free on Saturday?
Saturday,
So
probably
just tell me
like.
time and I will be there.
I mean Saturday, I know, probably in the evening, I think. Oh wait, no, shit, Saturday. Oh, Saturday is really bad. Birthday party.
Oh.
Probably more Friday-ish.
Also do it tomorrow.
I mean, I don't know, depends how far we get, right?
Like tomorrow in the evening, maybe.
Maybe, Now
But
Saturday is
like
actually
later,
bad.
later in the evening,
Yeah, I'll have to see.
like 7 p.m., 8 p.m.
Yeah, that sounds doable, I think.
Would that work for you?
I mean, well, if I do not forget any like appointment thingies I have, then it would work.
Yeah. Hey, after the stream, can you please look at those and just DM me when you're free?
Yeah, sure. That should work. And yeah, other than that, I mean, then we need to do the 8000 game tick clock shit and build the generic method.
Yeah. Building the generic method is fine.
Yeah, should be fine.
8,000 game tick clock is.
Oh, it's cancer, probably inventories or shit.
I've tried to use it without that, and it worked. So.
I don't know what it's for. I'll ask.
Yeah.
I'll ask Angon what it's for. Maybe it's like, I mean, from what I have seen, it only activates a lamp which tells you to not leave a specific area while it's turned on. And if that's the only thing, then if we just leave a bot, like that shouldn't be a problem.
Yeah. Maybe it's to count when the observers come to the setup.
No. No, like that's the thing. It doesn't seem to be connected to anything actually impactful. Only the
No, but like,
only the
yeah,
dominant.
like it's counting to something, but I don't know what.
I mean, well, there is the lamp, that turns on, and
Yeah.
on the lamp there's a
Yeah, I
sign.
know it's not connected to anything else than that.
Yeah, well, but like the lamp says, don't leave this area. I think it's like something. There is probably something happening when this clock runs off. Something unconnected, bro. Where
No,
was
wait, bro, but like you are turning the clock on,
I? Yeah, I mean, I don't know, man.
and you can turn it on at any time. It is not connected to anything.
My only explanation is you cannot load a specific area during a specific interval. I don't know.
No, it's not. No, you start the clock.
I mean, I know that you start the clock, yes.
No, look, like I was looking at it so, like for like 30 minutes, and I was like, what the fuck is this for?
Well, there is. Are you really starting? Because there is also this relock detection thingy with the armor stand on the clock.
Oh,
I'm not actually sure if you pull the lever, you unlock the clock.
maybe that's like to indicate if it's loaded or unloaded. I don't know.
Probably. Maybe it starts on unloading and then it does something.
Maybe.
That would be the only useful you cannot
No, but
load.
like, bro, yeah, maybe, but
You cannot load this chunk after this period because then it does something,
you can load that chunk.
No, like I don't know. You are not allowed to leave this area during that.
Yes, you are.
No, what do you mean? Yes, you are.
If you leave the area, nothing happens.
While the clock is on.
No, while you are doing the falling block
Well,
swaps and
I mean,
what's happening?
the lamp says don't leave this area while the 8001 game tick clock is triggering. Something
Yeah,
has to be
yeah.
happening.
Yeah, when is the clock triggering? But after it is triggered, you can leave the area.
I have no idea.
Bro, So I thought that like you know what is it for. It maybe it's for something important, but even you don't know what is it for.
I mean, in the setup there are like I think 3 things I don't understand. Well, the 8001 game tick clock, how the anti-crashes prevent anti-crashing, and in the next to the radiators there is a dispenser with a water bucket inside, which I also have no idea why.
If you don't get the water, just make a placebo.
Yeah, well, I don't know what that is for. Like, it's just placing a water bucket in in a little enclosed 1x1 space.
Oh, I think it's just to upgrade the chunk. I think maybe
Is
something
that?
like that.
Maybe. Yeah, okay, I haven't checked if it's on a chunk border. Or something. Or like in
Maybe
an
I
important
think
chunk.
it's maybe like updating the population to actually start generating water,
That could be. I haven't checked in which
or
chunk.
maybe
is.
initiate the water flowing or something like that.
I should flow instant, but I don't know, man.
Oh, maybe it can flow on normal thread without that or something like that.
No
Yeah,
idea.
the bucket sounds important.
Well, of course it is important. Like, that is surely doing something, but I don't know what.
Yeah, yeah. I think just updating something. Maybe it helps the generation somehow.
Probably, like it is in the next to the radiator. Well, okay, let me check if it's in the radiator chunk or not.
Also, why did you name your instance after you? Like, why is it 1.12.2 flaw?
I have not named it that.
Why is it flaw?
There is some thing puts the name of the account I'm logged in.
Oh. Weird.
Something does that. But it's not with every instance, like not the one I have right now. No, come on.
Or maybe it's in the other chunk, so that when the water is dispensed, the other chunk is like, okay, I don't really have a lot of water here. I should probably place at least one waterfall.
Is that how population works?
Yes, and not at the same time.
Not really, no.
Like, No, you can like manipulate the
Yes,
population.
well, yes, you can, but I don't think it places the water in the correct time to manipulate.
Yeah,
the
I don't
population.
know.
Okay, wait, I'll check.
Yeah, I could check it. And also, like, I don't really understand how what is the update detector for? As the generic method.
Which update detector?
There's update detector at the generic method.
Probably for... Oh, like, for what update? Okay, yes, it is in the beacon chunk. Like the
Oh.
glass tower chunk.
Maybe wait, what? In the beacon chunk?
Yes, I mean not the beacon chunk that like triggers the async reload, not async reload. You know what I mean? Like the async,
Yeah.
but in the beacon in the glass tower chunk, like which
Yeah,
spawns shit ton of threads. I don't know what it does there.
Yeah, I'm confused.
Time to spam Angan with questions.
Yeah.
Um,
He needs to feel a bit like JKM, you know.
true.
Let him feel a bit like JKM. But he said that he doesn't really get a lot of people trying to understand SpongeBob right now.
Bro, Roby was answering the question. I like with the account name, and oh man, the stream delay made it so out of context.
No, what did he answer?
Huh? It's
What did he answer?
wait,
Oh, so what is the number of
which number?
above? What is the number above your hotbar?
Oh, that's the TPS.
Oh,
That what he answered.
wait, you are lagging on 19?
Huh?
Wait, why you are? why are
MSPT,
you on 19?
MSPT, MSPT.
Oh, MSPT.
Yeah. Confused that?
Wait, isn't the server vanilla?
What do you mean?
Or this is just client side?
What? I'm so confused.
Is the number just client side?
It is provided by the server. I mean, I don't know how that
Wait,
works. Roby,
Server is vanilla, right?
how does that work, Roby? Like
Yep.
there is that Discord body, right? And we have like somehow Minecraft integration. I don't know. Duct has interesting tools. Yes, Magic, true. Duct server toolset is actually really good. Really good.
Man, I don't understand why don't we have scoreboards?
We have scoreboards, but
Yeah, you have them on Discord.
no, we also have them like as on the server, but I do not know how to actually trigger them. Like what the command is. The commands are all shit.
When I was looking at Duct members, they were all doing it on Discord. Not a single one was doing it in game.
Well, I mean, ABH showed me how to do it in game, but I forgot because it was like a S command.
I know on Proto we just have exclamation mark S.
Someone should make a shortcut for this, to be honest. Hi, Felix.
Or is it just the normal slash scoreboards?
Yes, it is. It is some slash
that is-
scoreboard thing.
Oh, then it's slash scoreboard set display sidebar and then the name of the scoreboard.
Yeah, well, it does require OP. Sad.
Yeah.
And I do not have that. Why? Scoreboard is actually really cool. Why do we not have that? I mean, we have a tab list, okay. And nobody probably cares about other stats other than Dix. Fair.
Maybe.
And honestly, the scoreboard obstructs a lot of view, which is kind of annoying, yes.
You can modify it.
Yes, but still, like I liked having nothing there. Like on 118 I have a mod that hides my like crosshair when I'm not looking at things, and one that hides my hotbar when I'm not using it.
Why?
Because I like the screen without things. Oh, there you have your explanation, you know how it works. Yeah, well, it is a vanilla jar. Okay, you're right.
Yeah, why not, Joe?
Also, it's just reading out that one array.
Oh,
Well, that's actually smart.
that's really smart.
Man, duct players.
What are you running that you have 21 MSPT?
Oh, that's a really nice solution for that.
I dump the memory address to the long 100, which is... Oh, that's really smart. Why don't we have that on Proto?
I don't know. Duct better. That's just.
No, we just don't care about the MSPT because it's 1.12, so... You know it's always fine.
No, it's cool to have. And, also, Roby, what was the command to like toggle it? I should probably look at the commands. Doesn't Duct also have? Oh yeah, right. Doesn't Duct also have its own auth server, like auth service?
Which servers?
No, like authentication services. I think Duct has its own.
Wait, what do you mean? Oh, authentication servers?
Like on 1 second. Use the non. Ah, okay, makes sense. Like yeah, it's self-hosted. I have no idea how to, but
Yeah, I know it's like
so we can have like how's it called? Non-port
Offline
accounts. Yes, exactly.
in server properties. It's called offline mode.
Yeah, I have no. All right, I have that turned on my local machine, local service. Yes, finally.
I also have that turned off on my server because when I started the server, I had few people without MC. But now I cannot switch it off because if I switch it off, we lose our player data.
It
So,
messes.
yeah.
Yes, it messes a few things up. Don't really
It
like
messes a lot of things up. I was trying to fix something and
Hello, Roby.
Hello.
Isn't that also how a SARC, the SARC
Yes.
thing? Yeah.
We don't own the account. Obviously, I think it's simply Sark or someone has the account Sark itself. But you can use any account that exists on the actual Mojang services.
oh, that's great.
So basically, carpet bots without char modification.
No, because you still need a full client.
Yeah,
Yeah, they have client. They
I
are
mean, yes, you can use it like carpet bots without carpet char.
Yeah.
It's not the same.
But it
Ooh.
it has online authentication enabled because if you set it to offline, then basically everyone can join your server and grief and shit like that.
And
You can
that's
prevent it
cool.
in other ways.
No.
For example, on my server, I track the IP of the players.
Well, that might work. I don't know. That seems
That-
quite risky.
I like no. I have it so that my server remembers the IP of the player who joined.
Yeah.
And if the IP is not matching, they have to /login. And they have like their own
Well,
passwords.
okay, yeah, that might work.
And the-
How? Yeah, okay. Yeah, Binem.
And so, for example, for like me, I don't know how it's like authentication mode something, so that I can like, if for example me, I paid for the game, I just joined the game,
Yes.
nothing happens. But if
Yeah, I
someone
know what you
who
mean. It's
who
offline.
didn't pay for, yeah, but like the service access in the server properties, I have it set to online. It's just when someone tries to join and doesn't have the tag, so that they are actually uh paid players. It skips the authentication service and goes around around them.
Oh, yeah, if you mod the jar, I guess. That's possible.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's interesting
Okay.
how you are doing it. vanilla.
Because we still have a vanilla jar, so you can't do shit
Yeah.
like that, but you still need to like verify. That's why you need online mode.
Yeah.
But the way it works is I'm not actually modifying the code. So instead, you have a host entry that points the session service.mojang.com or whatever it is to 127.0.0.1, so the machine itself to localhost. And then under the API part that the game calls, there's like a PHP script that checks. So basically, you run a vanilla server and the requests go to your localhost instead of the actual Mojang services.
Oh, yeah.
And this web service can answer whatever you want. So in my case, I have like an extra tag inside the request if it's a self-hosted instance and it matches the secret key. So like some string needs to be the same. And if it's not there, so if it's a vanilla client, it just forwards the request to Mojang.
Oh. So you can just have this string in your client and start your offline account.
Well, if you want it in your client, the client needs to be modded.
Yeah.
But yes,
Obviously.
the server doesn't need to be modded in that way.
Oh, that's great.
That's actually
Wait, I have it on GitHub. I can show you a link, maybe.
oh, that would be cool, yeah.
I like the solution. I like the solution. It's pretty smart because you don't have to pay for it after.
Yeah, but it's not easy.
But it's,
Yeah,
a,
it's definitely not easy.
but it's a cool solution.
I think it's cool. Yeah.
Also, how is Sark operating?
That's a full client joining. So Dark is using the extra string inside the request to join without having a valid account. And then it's just a Python script that sends the packets that usually your client sends. And it saves the ones in the replay format that you get.
Oh, so it's just constantly taking, like, recording everything.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. But isn't that like a shit ton of data it produces?
No.
You delete the
There's
data.
a filter option, so a few packets can be skipped. I think replay mod by itself skips a few, and then I optimize it to skip a few more that are really useless. And then it's compressed because it's always the same data. So I don't know, if you like mine a block, the chunks is always the same packet. It compresses really well.
Okay, true, yeah. Yeah, that's really cool
Well, like
as well.
you are not keeping the data, so you don't really care. Who's pinging me?
Hmm?
Oh yeah.
I did.
Yeah.
P.
Oh. Access token player UID without pushes server ID.
Yeah, the issue is with this approach, the client basically needs to be modified to either change the address it's using for the session service or to modify the client's DNS.
Yeah.
And then you need to import a custom certificate to the Java key store. So it's basically doing a man-in-the-middle attack on the Mojang session servers. It's
Yeah.
not great, but once it's up and running, it's quite easy to use.
Yeah, and you don't care about modifying the client. That's great. I like the solution. It's pretty good.
Everything to stay vanilla. Also, like the Minecraft in-game thingy has only one exclamation mark prefix. Is it like is there?
No, I think it works maybe both
Oh, it
ways,
does.
yeah.
Is there a help thingy?
No,
Peak.
those are like the only two commands. So there's Twitch and MSVT.
Oh, okay.
It's just a really shit script. It's not coded very good. It's like 10 years old almost. I never actually fixed it or updated it.
I mean, if it works.
It's nice to see like a different architecture for a vanilla server, other than what we have on Proto.
Also, Robbie, why no chat bridge?
Yeah, I don't know. We thought about it, or at least I did years ago, and for some reason I decided no, because usually people in-game talk about stuff others don't need to talk about. Basically, in-game chat is like a temporary thing, and if you do a chat bridge, it's like forever, and everyone can read it. I don't know.
Yeah. No, I have the same like mentality as you, I think. But after we've established the bridge, we like the thing is I don't care about chat bridge to Discord. That's a thing I don't care about. I really like how on Proto we have chat bridges between servers, so I can be on SMT.
Yeah, that's cool.
That's one is cool. But like other than that, like yeah, the Discord was used like a few times, but other than that, no.
I mean, maybe you can like pipe the join into Discord so people know when someone joins, but
Yeah, we
I
have
don't know.
we have like the full chat, but no one is really reading.
I mean, I guess you can just spam the list command.
Yeah, usually when someone wants to play, he can play anyway.
True, yeah. Man, demo. Just don't sleep, demo. That's an easy solution. Also, no YouTube stream integration in the duck chat.
No.
Sad. Very sad.
Yeah, that's the same thing I did 10 years ago. I'm super surprised it still works, but that's due to Twitch still using RSC for chat, I think, which didn't change the last 10 years.
Okay, well, in that case, demo, go to sleep, please. Not like you're missing a lot. Also, Roby, how was the travel experience?
Fine.
Oh, actually fine.
I was home at 9 a.m. Great. There was no issue. I was on time everywhere.
Man, that's epic. On time.
Yeah. I'm quite sure that it was smart to go overnight instead during the day.
Ah, probably way less traffic. Bruh. I'm going down the item stream. What? Buy demo.
Oh, he's using mathematics version 7. It would be nice to implement a way to make mathematics in older versions from newer versions work.
Hmm? What do you mean?
No, like, for example, right now I'm downloading a schematic and it is only working in 1.21.
What?
Like-
can you not
like-
like NPT edit the version tag?
Yeah, you can, but that's annoying.
Bro, it's like 2 clicks. What? I mean, honestly, like if it's so easy to edit the tag, I don't know why Lightmatica just doesn't try to render it.
Yeah, that's like the annoying part. Like, try to render it. Even if it's not working, like just try it, and if it fails, it fails. If it works, it works.
Yeah, yeah, like
I guess it's to just remove some errors, but
probably.
or just it would be nice if it's not required, save it in the old format.
Yeah, true. Like latest possible.
Use the oldest possible one.
That actually makes sense.
That will actually make a lot of sense.
Man. Go DM Mesa. Or no, wait, he's not doing it anymore. Go DM this Sakura guy.
Yeah, I don't even know who is doing it right now.
Now Sakura Ryoko, how is his, whoever that is called.
Yeah. Okay. Fuck, why is this machine so big?
It's true, my skin is very dark skinned. Now that I'm looking at it.
Why do you think that? I don't think I have like dark skins.
Like
That
in
much?
comparison,
To what?
like to a normal European skin color.
I like how we want to sound safe.
I added the European, yes.
Average European skin color. I like that.
Yeah. I did not want to say the normal skin color, you know? Like, the European skin color.
You can just say white, you know.
Nah. I mean, true, I could have, yes.
Like, it's okay to refer to black people as black people and white people to as
The thing
white
is,
people.
the thing is, my skin looks utterly shit with a normal European skin color.
European skin color. Stop, it sounds so weird. Oh, wow.
Let's go
I need to
wait.
modify.
What
My
is,
brother is going to kill me for modifying everything.
what is a good number to end on?
15.
No, wait.
10 million, of course.
Okay, wait. Let me do that real quick. I think
Yeah, 10 million is the best.
154,069 is a very solid number.
Yeah, that's a solid number.
No,
I
right?
agree. Oh, right. Oh, it works like this. My brother is going to kill me for modifying half of the redstone, but who cares?
Oh my god, 5 viewers, that's insane. Awesome stream, but I don't know. Good night.
Oh, those are the controls. I can just modify the controls.